Today I'm going to be showing you how to wear a ponytail with extensions in and several different types of ponytails that you can use. So the first thing I'm going to put into my hair, because it's very soft and I need some volume at the root before I start pulling my hair back. So I'm going to use Do Over by Kevin Murphy. And it's a dry powder spray, and it just puts a lot of air into the hair. And I'm just gonna spraying it near the root because it's gonna give you some texture, and you see how much volume that adds. And I want to wear a really straight ponytail, so I'm going to be using a scrunchie, which if you haven't come by Salon Adelle to see the different scrunchies that we have, you are missing out. We have some amazing scrunchies. So I picked one out that matches my outfits. It's got a little bit of gold in it, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a sleek ponytail. So the first thing is you want to tease your roots just a little bit, and that do-over gives me texture to grab onto since my hair is just so soft. And connecting your back combing together to make one solid section. And now you do the same thing in the back. And I am using a really fine tooth comb. Okay, so now that I have more volume at my root, I'm gonna start pulling it back into a ponytail a little bit at a time. And I try not to brush out that tease, so I'm just barely going over the top layer. And then I pop my scrunchie in there. And there you have a ponytail. And if you look really close, I do have one extension right there that is poking out. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So you wanna get a comb that has a rat tail on it, like this. And you can take the hair here, and you're just gonna pull it over top of the extension. And you can see it disappears. And then I have one over here. Again, I'm taking my comb and I'm just disguising it by pulling that hair directly over that extension so that it no longer sticks out. So there's that. There's a regular ponytail. I can also pull out some of my bangs if I wanted to wear it to the side, or I could wear it to this side or down the middle, like that. The next ponytail that I'll show you is high up. So for the top of the ponytail, I don't like it to be as fixed. I like it to have some volume and some movement to it. So I am pulling that hair back out up here so that it's just not so tight to my head. And what I love about the scrunchies is it gives that, first of all, how it holds really, really nice and tight, but then it gives like a lot of body to the ponytail. So it's pulling it off of my scalp more, which gives it more height. And I can tease this up and really make that ponytail really nice and big. So I've got one little bang piece out, and now I'm gonna just make this top area a little less fixed. And then you can come into the ponytail itself and back comb it. I would add some texture to it, some texture spray like Do-Over or Base texture spray would work really well too. So you can see that just gives me a really nice full ponytail. And if my hair was curled, you would really see all those curls in there as well. And just so you can see it from the side. And then from this side. And then the next ponytail would be a low ponytail, which is the easiest one to do. And for this, I typically like a part. And that would be a low ponytail. With a side bang. So fringes and bangs can be a lot of fun with ponytails because they do add a lot of framing to your face. So I really like having a longer bang to be able to pull out with ponytail. It just makes me feel more put together. So hope you learned something today with the ponytail tutorial. If you have any questions about it, please don't hesitate to ask, and we look forward to serving you in the future.